got mail.
Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, #1 channel, all things blue collar. A public service announcement. This video is already aired. Wright Stuff Family Adventures. Just want to let y'all know so you know when you see all the references watching this video, that is why. I'm bringing this series, the Labor of Love series, 1969 Firebird build. I'm bringing this series to Turnin and Burnin. Enjoy. I'm super excited today. I got some parts that just came in the mail and I'm stoked to open them up, and I'm going to show you what I got. These are kind of the parts that I got that are pushing this forward, because I figured if I'm going to spend this much money on these parts that there's no turning back. So let's take a look at what we got here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. About to tear into that. Couple boxes. Well, I'll tell you what, like I said, I was excited. I was doing some work, getting some work done on the car, and I said, you know what? I am going to, what is all this getting out of focus stuff? I just gonna stop everything that I'm doing, open these boxes up, and show y'all what I got. And I'm excited to look at them. Let's get these opened up and let's see what all came in. So like I said, I was extremely excited that these parts came in. Not gonna lie, I opened the 4-link suspension already and looked at it because it was light enough to carry in and open it up. But the front end clip actually showed up on a day that I was in New Orleans having vacation, and had to have somebody else come in and offload it for me. And I couldn't wait to get back home and open the package up, but I couldn't because I got home late and I had to be at work. So I worked all day and I came straight from work over here, not even in my work clothes, probably not even gonna get to do anything on the Firebird today, mainly because I'm tired and I need to get some rest, and it's pretty hot, and I have all the fans off right now so you can hear me, but I just wanted to show y'all everything that came in. It's just something a little bit different. Not working on the car right now, but just show you some of these parts. I'm pretty stoked. So as you can see, I actually went through 2 different companies to get this. I went straight to Wright, and Wright did not disappoint on the stickers. I'll tell you what, I got Wright stickers for days, so if anybody wants some, put a link down in the comment, maybe give you some Wright stickers. But I went with the bolt-on 4-link suspension. I've seen some videos on it, and from what I've seen, they're pretty easy to install. There is going to be some welding that's gonna happen. That won't be shouldn't be a big deal. But I went with the Wright bolt-on 4-link. I'm very impressed just from looking at it. Everything looks really nice. The welds, the color, everything extremely nice. Even these pieces, CNC cut, put their little logo on there. I love little things like that. That's awesome. Got the kit. Everything is here. Started reading the instructions. Haven't got too far into them yet. All the packaging. The pieces are actually gonna have to be welded on. They did it again. Look at that detail. Already pre-cut. All the bolts labeled, ready to go, boxed up. Now the coilover springs, that's something separate that I had to purchase. Went ahead and went with the Wright. Just heard lots of good things about them, and the springs. So that's the 4-link. Once I get into installing this, definitely will take you along with it. The front end. This is something that I've wanted for years. Went with Checkered Racing. I know there's a whole bunch of different front end clips for these cars. They fit the 67 through 69 Camaros and Firebirds. And I went with them mainly for pricing. After looking at this, I'm very pleased. I really dig this. That is going to look sharp. All the welding is going to look sharp once she's painted up. The tubular A-arms, this is something you can go with all kinds of different stuff. I went ahead and went with the Wright as well. Obviously, if you got the back Wright, you gotta have the front. That'd be like wearing Reebok shoes and a Nike shirt. It just doesn't go. Went with the power rack and pinion. I'm only getting older, so yeah, we're gonna power here. It's gonna be nice. Very pleased. I know I'm not real organized here, and this is kind of showing things off. I'm just super excited. Want to get a video in. Super stoked. Same thing. Everything was packaged really well. Everything's here. There's obviously going to be some parts that I'm going to have to weld on as well, but that's not going to be an issue. Super pleased with everything. No, it was a very short, sweet, down to the point video, but I just kind of wanted to show. I had a mail haul.
You got mail.
I did start doing a little bit more work. Started tearing the parts down, getting ready. Got the car lifted up, ready to pull the rear end out and pull the front end clip out. I'm going to take you along whenever I start doing that. Pull all that out, kind of show you what I've done, what needs to happen. Not going to go too much detail, just show the little parts here and there. Show you how easy it comes out. So far I'm not really having too many issues. Actually, a lot of the bolts are actually coming out pretty easy, which really surprised me for as long as they've been in there. Like always, if you want to come with me on this labor of love journey, this labor of love build, click the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, do all the fun stuff you're supposed to do. If you got any comments, any questions, leave them down there as well. I'll try to answer them the best I can. I'm not a professional mechanic, doing this for fun, so if you have anything, let me know. Anything that you see maybe I'm doing wrong, something I need to do better, definitely let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Just love to interact and see what y'all got going on. And not this great vlogger guy. I'm supposed to be walking around and doing all the stuff like that, but I'm still learning. I'm just an old dude on my family YouTube channel taking you all along on a journey as I build this car. So again, hit the subscribe button and come back later, because next we're gonna be pulling parts out. See you later.